Hello friends, welcome back to SRM Intraday. Uh, just 2 minutes, we'll discuss the yesterday's chart. That means yesterday's analysis and today's Bank Nifty trade. I hope you people enjoyed the today's trade. As we discussed in the yesterday analysis, market has to break this lower wedge, right? Lower line of the wedge. But if you could not see the video, please go back and watch the yesterday's video. Today, 6th August. You better to watch 5th August video, then only you can understand this. I explained in 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 5 minutes time frame. Right. See what I told you. If market wants to go upside, it has to break this with a bullish candle. If not, it may gap up. But if market opened gap up, 80%, you go back and verify. I given this word clearly. Open the gap up. Remember, there is a 80% of probability to fill the gap. 80% market will definitely fill the gap. This is the opening point. Market open here, 1 minute chart. This is 1 minute chart. And the gap, this is the gap actually. Total gap has been filled around 80 points, 80 to 90 points. But we cannot catch this. Within 1 minute, we cannot catch this 80 minutes. But already I given the hint. If today market open gap up, definitely 80% probability it can fill that gap. The gap has been filled. Okay, right. First point is completed. Once if gap is filled, then immediately if the market is weak, immediately it will come back. Means it will start falling. But what happened? Immediately a bullish candle covered the total red candle, right? But as I told you, do not enter immediately at the high of this candle. So what I told you in the video, go back and watch the video. Immediately you should wait for the retracement or retest. Retracement in the sense, you better to watch my live trading sessions. There always I prefer 50% Fibonacci only. See, this is a starting point called base point. This is a peak point. This is a base point and this is a peak point. So if you apply Fibonacci from here to here, see, pull back. You observe, you open the chart and apply the Fibonacci, friends. This is exactly 50% Fibonacci, nearly 50%. This is a 50% Fibonacci. Even though it is like a red color, means in the live market, you can see it as a red color because this is a open. If market is here, it will looks like a bearish candle, but you trust your logic, not the candle color here. Okay, right. So if you could able to enter here, this will be the stop loss. This line act as a resistance, and the target is previous day high. Strictly speaking, high of the last trading day, or otherwise today spike. Today spike is a target, right? But it has given up to here, I think around 100 points, and this is given around 130 points. So today's trade is over. There are so many chances given, but this is enough as we discussed. And see guys, already we have discussed about this key level in the last session. See, even though the lower line or support line of rising wedge has been broken, there is no major move in the market because of this key level. Actually, this key level was formed in 5th August, during 5th August, but today 6th August, but the same key level act as a strong, very strong support line. See, a strong bullish wick is formed here. So it is acting as a support line. That is the reason I told you, even though this support is broken, immediately don't go for the selling, because you verify in 5 minutes for different patterns, stop losses hitted in this particular region. That is the reason I already given that in this zone, you should not go for any trade. I wrote like no trading zone, right? And what about the Monday trade? Please, my dear friends, remember, actually I'm doing this recording on Friday evening, 6th August for Monday trade, right? If any major things happen in the market during Saturday and Sunday, we cannot predict the market move as per this analysis. So be careful. If any new or major events occur, then I will make another video. by Sunday evening. Okay, right. And coming to the plan, to go for the trade or buying or selling, we need to wait for some confirmations. See, you can find one trend line here. This is a 30 minutes time frame. You can find one trend line like this. See, you can find one trend line. This trend line has to break. If this trend line is broken by bullish candle, remember at least a 15 minutes bullish candle has to close above the trend line. 15 minutes bullish candle has to close above the trend line, then only we can fix or we can try for buying, taking long in the market based on the patterns and proper risk reward ratio. That is very important, right? And you see, it looked like a flag, bullish flag. This is a pole and this is a flag. It looked like bullish flag. If this flag is broken, then we can expect a major move, but better to enter in the retest as usual. We are always entering in the retest period because to minimize the risk and to maximize the reward. And the high of last trading day, this is a high of last trading day. Obviously, it will be the target. But if the high of the last trading day is also broken, what to do? See, immediately it cannot be break by the market, but already 2 times high of the last trading day has been tested, little bit weak. Now if market break this again and again, if the market take a retest, right, you can enter again for the long here, but with a proper planning only, we better to enter into the long, right? And see, one more important point, already this trend line, see, for example, if a bullish candle is broken, this flag or this trend line, bullish candle in the sense, it should be, see, actually I have taken the candles here. Okay, right, leave it. I will take the candle manually, right? So you see, this must be a green candle and it should not be like this. This type of candle should not break this line. A bullish candle has to break, then only we can consider it as a breakout. 80% should be the body and should be green, or we can consider this type of candle also, no problem. If you find this type of candle, no problem, but body should be more. But this type of candle are doji, or this type of candle is break the resistance line or this trend line, we should not consider them as a breakout. Okay, right? So based on that, you have to take the clarity in the breakout. Okay, once if breakout is confirmed, as we discussed, we can go for the buying for long. This is around 100 points, 100 to 120 points. And if this high of the last trading day is acting as a resistance, okay, is broken, immediately do not enter. Again, you should wait for the retest. If market is going like this, should wait for 50% Fibonacci. Then our ultimate target is resistance of wedge. Very important. The upper line of wedge is acting as a powerful resistance. Definitely it cannot be break by the market, because actually the problem is we are at very near to the supply zone. This supply zone has formed during 12th March. So very big supply zone actually. I don't say immediately sell here. It acts as a powerful resistance. With a proper confirmation only, this is actually coincident point. Supply zone and resistance line of rising wedge are coincide. From this point, we can expect the fall. Just we are expecting, it's not confirmed. With a confirmation pattern, confidently we can go for sell. If you find any confirmation pattern and proper risk reward ratio, you can go for selling. But before selling, we are planning for buying up to here. So while we are going for buying or while we are going for long, we can predict the market. From here, market definitely face some resistance. Here market will definitely face some resistance, or here market will definitely face some resistance. That's all. So like that we should plan for Monday. Okay, like this, if market is going we immediately should predict, okay, this is my target, at least 10 points before the target, we better to exit, right? Okay, and so far we talked about bullish view. Then what about the bearish view? See, if market break the key level, very important. If market is break the key level, immediately please do not enter. Again, we should wait for retest or 50% Fibonacci, right? And it can give around 50 to 120 points. But if risk reward ratio is not proper, if you could not find a good risk reward ratio, at least you should find 1:2. You may exit at 1:1, but you should find 1:2 risk reward ratio. So such that the market will be very bearish because of the 1:2 risk reward ratio, we will be in safe side. Okay, then we can enter. But remember one point, if luckily market break this support line, very strong support line from the wedge, it is formed around 15 days back, 15 trading sessions, this wedge is maintaining. So that if this wedge support line is broken, ultimate target is this gap. Definitely market will come to fill this gap. But remember, immediately please do not enter here. Again, you should wait for retest and proper pattern. But this is actually the wedge, sorry, gap range. This is the gap range. So market will halt sometime here in the gap. With one proper flag or some other pattern, it will break. And once gap is filled, we cannot predict. No one can predict. Market may go upside again or may consolidate over there, or otherwise maybe move downside. Of course, we cannot expect this much of move in one day, but this is a plan you remember for at least 1 to 2 days, Monday and Tuesday also. Okay, right guys, thank you for watching.